This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 9th of October. I'm James Spann. Ooh, the lovely October days are here. Some clouds around today, no rain. We stay dry for a while. Next week, though, maybe a pretty good cold front and a shot of colder air in about 8 days from now. Let's go in there and take a look out the window this afternoon. Some of the Skycam shots around the network. First off, coming from Tuscaloosa. Kind of a broken overcast there, but underneath those clouds, the air very dry. Those clouds up at about 15 to 20,000 feet. That's our sky cam down in Clanton in Chilton County. The sky there partly sunny. And you bet your buddy, this is the weekend for the National Shrimp Festival at Gulf Shores. I'll be piling in there this weekend. The weather could not be better. Sunny days, fair nights, highs down there, and the low 80s. Lows should be in the 60s all the way through early next week. Very energetic map, but we are not involved in any of the major systems. First off, we've got that upper low over North Carolina and a surface nor'easter just off the middle Atlantic coast. Some pretty foul weather for Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Atlantic City, Philadelphia. And then a huge trough out west, big upper low near San Francisco. But around here, things are quiet. That's the visible satellite view. You can see a few clouds and scattered pockets around the state, but looks like the eastern counties are in bright sunshine today. Temperatures are in the 70s. Birmingham at 75. Only 73 down at Montgomery and Auburn. And we'll expect to get up there close to 80 tomorrow, probably upper 70s. And around the nation, the coolest air is back in the northwest behind that big trough. Severe weather not going to happen today. But tomorrow we do have a slight risk. That's the standard risk over the western high plains in advance of that trough coming out of the western states. But that energy will be lifting up into Canada, not affecting us. We think we'll be dry through the weekend, and accordingly, nothing on the QPF chart. This is the rain through Monday morning of next week, not a drop around here. Tropics, still watching that little wave in the Atlantic. It's the eastern Atlantic, not too far from the Cape Verde Islands. Tropical models want to bend it poleward in about 4 days, and the INSEP ensemble guidance, most of the members want to recurve that thing. And obviously that should not be an issue here. Let's take a look at the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. Big trough in the west. Still got the system on the east coast, and down below that should be a nice, bright, partly to mostly sunny day. High around 79, maybe touching 80 in spots. There's a look at Friday. Should enjoy bright sunshine. The high up there around 80, maybe low 80s. And we note that really deep low over the Dakotas. And we'll see if any severe convection can fire south and east of that low. And we can see if any snow can form north and west of that low. Thickness values don't look like it's going to support a lot of snow this time, which is a good thing because some of those people were buried last Friday. Great weather here for high school football, and Saturday looking good for college football. Auburn's got an afternoon game at home. They will enjoy a sun-filled afternoon. Alabama plays Saturday evening up in Kentucky. Sky there should be clear. Note a cold front from about Madison, Wisconsin, down to San Angelo, Texas. There could be a few showers in that front, but those will not bother us. High Saturday afternoon, I'd say maybe low 80s, and pretty much the same thing on Sunday. We'll be dry with a high in the low 80s. Monday of next week, a new trough in the west. And let's take a look at the what happens underneath that. New surface low develops over Kansas. That might bring some strong storms to maybe Oklahoma and North Texas if that's right, but we stay dry. Tuesday, that low is located near Des Moines, Iowa. Showers moving into Memphis and Little Rock on Tuesday, but this run is slower than the run I showed you this morning because really it's Wednesday before that band of showers and storms moves in here. This is a week from today, so maybe Tuesday night, Wednesday of next week, that'll be our next chance of rain in the form of showers and storms. Maybe a strong storm, but I'd say severe weather, not especially likely with that. And then the following day, Thursday the 17th, that is nice and cool looking. That's suggesting temperatures colder than 10 degrees below average. That'll get us down in the 40s by Thursday morning of next week, if that's right. Let's go out there a few more days. This is October the 24th, and we've got troughing coming in here. That's a strong-looking cold front. Look at the cold air. Woo, boy, that's cold. 540 line plunging south, suggesting a chance of snow around Detroit. Band of showers and storms in here. And the next day on the 25th, a very chilly air mass drops in here. But then again, that's over October 25th. That's what happens late in October. That's when things start to turn chilly at times. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.